Okay guys, so a few of you guys had asked me what else I had done to the car. Further updates. I think by the time I made the second video I already had the niche wheels. Really light, good wheels, not bad at all. Have it all dirty because I haven't been driving it. But now I have the Revo Stage 2 tune. I also got a AWE front mount intercooler, which I got secondhand. I don't know if you guys can see it. Big boy, all the entire grill. Car's running pretty good. The only thing is I got a check engine, threw a check engine code when I was racing one of my buddies, and it was a low boost engine. It was a low boost code, so I have to go and check where the boost is leaking from. I'm just gonna show you guys one quick pull. But I mean, definitely worth it. I raced my buddy, he has a 228i M Sport, and I always had bolt-ons. I kept on putting bolt-ons on my car and I would never beat him. Then finally put in the Revo Stage 2 and I was pulling away from him. And then of course he brought his dad's 335i M Sport, and then that thing was pulling away on me, but not by much. Surprisingly, it was very close, even though he had one more piston and one more turbo. But definitely love it. Love the Revo Stage 2. Good product. I got mine at Novitec Tuning. If you're in South Florida, you get it there. But not bad at all. Great quality tune. Haven't had any issues. Fuel's about the same. Definitely recommend it. Until next time. Go. Ah!